Hey guys, so in this video I wanted to add a few more things here, simple things to the setup that we made and tweak a few settings and give you guys some ideas on what to play with when you finish with this. Now this is going to be the base for our destruction setup. I may have to redo a few things because my scene crashed and I had to use this guy, and so I may have to copy this out and clean it up in a bit. But overall I'm not going to change anything, and this is going to be the platform for what we're going to be doing next. The next part is we're going to spend a lot of time with the constraint network, and we're going to add the T-Rex as well in here. And for now I want to add some static regions, so I don't have everything falling down straight away. And let's do that. Let's go to building destruction here, and I'm gonna create an attribute called active. I'm gonna set it to 1, so everything is active. And then I'm going to group. Yeah, this is with the viewport display, so I have to switch tabs. And I'm going to group a few things. Let's group by region. And also this used to cause Houdini to crash a lot, so it has gotten better with the new release, but we may see that issue. So I want to group a few pieces here on the left side, on the right side. Something like this. And I'm gonna set the active to 0 in that region, so group 1. I'm gonna do it again. Something like that. And I'm gonna copy this. I could probably do this too, so I'm gonna combine these two guys. Instead of replace existing, union with existing, and now both are added. Group 1, and let's go to here, and let's disable the constraint, and let's disable this. We can tell by what's falling and what's not. And the RBD settings is set to 4 now. The DOP settings, I'm gonna reduce that back to 1, so it's faster to work. Okay, it looks like it's working. This side is frozen, and this side as well. Okay, so let's go back. Let's add our constraint and our RBD object, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower these guys. I don't want this, basically propagates the constraint as it breaks. I don't want that. I like the constraint to be very, very localized, the glue constraint at least. And I'm going to switch to mass, and we'll talk about this a lot more next week. I'm going to set this to 2000, and this guy also to 2000, and I'm going to increase the gravity to -20 here, so it's 2 times stronger, and the scale is quite big, so increasing the scale will help with the falling, or the speed of the pieces at which the pieces fall, and we can still work on this, of course. So let's see what's gonna happen now. Not seeing Kong. This is a very cool effect though, but this is not what I'm looking for, so we may have to move the building this way a bit, so that Kong leg actually makes it out of the building. But I really like all this crumbling effect that we're getting. I think it's very cool. Yeah, and everything is working. Everything is stable. I'm gonna let this run for a bit more, and my Houdini crashed, so we'll continue in the next video. Thanks, guys.